Woke up this morning to a sun that's kind of shy. Hear the whispers in the hallways of the days that passed us by. Photographs in dusty albums tell the stories left untold. Every tear and every laughter in our hearts will never grow old. Memories we keep like a treasure buried deep in the silence. They repeat the moments that we seek. Underneath the fading paint, there's a world that we adore. Every sigh and every glance, a photographs and dusty albums tell the stories left untold. Every tear and every laughter in our hearts will never grow old. Memories we keep like a treasure buried deep in the silence they repeat, the moments that we seek. Underneath the fading paint, there's a world that we adored. Every sigh and every glance, a lifetime to explore. And in the quiet of the evening, when the night starts to fall, you can hear the echo softly of the love that framed it all. Memories we keep like a treasure buried deep in the silence they repeat, the moments that we seek. Midnight whispers through the night, soft echoes under moonlight, heartbeats fading like a rhyme, lost in memories of time. Blue dusk turns to morning haze. Every moment on replay. Summer nights we used to chase, now they're ghosts we can't replace. Shadows of summer in the breeze, faded photos of you and me. Every laugh and every tear, reliving it all year by year. Golden sun on sandy shores, we don't feel that warmth no more. Silhouettes in golden fields, that's where all our secrets heal. I close my eyes and hear your voice, whispered dreams and quiet noise. Those days are gone, but not in vain. They come alive in drops of rain. Shadows of summer in the breeze, faded photos of you and me. enjoy this nature. It fascinates me day after day. I can't enjoy this freedom. It makes me fly like a bird together. How happy I am, how I love this world that has opened up to me. How happy I am, how I love. Life is beautiful.